Introducing groundbreaking electronic reconnaissance systems by Infozahyst. These cutting-edge technologies are set to revolutionize how we neutralize crucial enemy systems. Ukrainian-based company, Infozahyst, is making significant strides with its Gekata electronic intelligence complex. Currently in trial operation with limited use for practical problem-solving, this system, based on the PD-2 drone from Ukrspetssystems, is anticipated to see its first combat deployment on the battlefield later this year. Gekata is engineered to empower the Ukrainian military in pinpointing the locations of enemy radar stations, electronic warfare systems, air defense systems, and aircraft. Recognizing the need for compact mobile radio-technical reconnaissance (RTR) systems, Infozahyst is responding to the vulnerability of larger systems that become prime targets for the enemy's high-precision weapons and attack drones, as noted by Anton Sherbakov, a representative of Infozahyst. To address this, Infozahyst is not only developing an air-based RTR complex but also a mobile ground system named Archon. This versatile system, available in both stationary and mobile versions, boasts a more powerful antenna capable of receiving signals in the lower frequency range. The Archon complex comprises multiple posts, each serving as a primary radio control point, forming a direction-finding network that operates in passive mode to avoid detection by enemy radio reconnaissance. Implementing domestic software with elements of artificial intelligence, this complex excels in signal processing, identification, classification, and more. Infozahyst emphasizes that these features enable operators to establish links to specific radio sources and enhance the efficiency of assigned tasks. Already proving its effectiveness, the Archon complex has successfully detected signals from various enemy weapons, including radar stations like 1L117 and 96L6E, part of the S-300 air defense system, as well as radar from the Tor M1 air defense system. It has also identified surface and air targets in the Black Sea, showcasing its versatility against a wide range of threats. Infozahyst underscores the significance of saturating the Ukrainian army with such advanced systems, asserting that it will significantly enhance the destruction of valuable enemy systems, particularly those that are long-lasting, expensive, and challenging to restore, such as air defense radars.